Yeah, so some of the data has that. I mean, we're actually like a marketplace. People can come to us to list their data for sale or to buy data to resell, just buy for themselves. So everything you're mentioning, there's all these different.
My files listed on their marketplace, and we got a lot of tire kickers, people that express interest. We'd run counts or send them information. They wouldn't respond. People who, indicate there was some initial interest. Otherwise, the lead wouldn't have been generated.
You're not like a lead generator. You're actually in the data distribution angle of it.
Yeah, we're an aggregator and a compiler. So we license data to a lot of companies, people that are interested in our location feed or our intent behavior feed or clickstream feeds. We have CPG feeds, consumer packaged good feed, showing, what item was bought, how much someone paid for it.
It is a system and method where you can either upload, subscribe, download, or resell any bits of data that people upload to our system. So it's essentially a three-sided marketplace. There's data providers, there's buyers, and there's resellers, all in one ecosystem where they can all coexist. Aggregate Data, us, we provide a $4.99 package that offers two things. Either A, you can download 5,000 records a minute, or B, you can upload data that other users can download at 5,000 records a minute. So it's $4.99, and whether you're going to license another database or use your own data, it's charged proportionately. So it's easier to keep track of and easily scalable. Now, take the business professional list of 36 million people. Maybe someone comes along the line and like, hey, I need a list of only people that are in the medical. We have all these options here. We have job title, department, industry, NAICS, SIC, and seniority level. These are the main ones in particular I use. Medical can be under, multiple things, one particular thing, hospital. And, if we don't know specifically, if we look it up, you guys have the fast, easy ability to pre-do these searches for your user. So when someone comes and says your database does not have any hospitals, you can go up and say, well, Janice went in, just spent the last hour. And what I did with the data provider specifically, there's a gentleman in here who's a big data provider who I wasn't expecting, but this is, useful given that. So they have the ability to integrate Plaid and sign up for Plaid. So what Plaid is, if you don't know, it's just a banking app where if you want to integrate any of the 8,000 different banks in the country, this is the one portal to do it. And what Plaid lets you do is there are APIs that let the holder of the account let other people sell for them. Basically, your bank account ties to their bank account. And if you see transactions that go through that are of your product, Plaid has a feature where you can basically create an invoicing system to bill them, and that auto deducts the money from their bank account. So as you scale up, there are countless amounts of fintech solutions in here where now you're not. Yeah, this is a solution that aimed to solve every problem you just spoke about, right? Everyone in here, for the most part, other than you, is a data buyer or a data reseller. So this whole platform allows individuals like you to platform your data. We either act as a host and we can offer cheaper hosting fees.
Now, are you getting intent data in from feeds that like our clickstream feed showing you what people are looking at online?